Alrighty. So I know you had sent an email about having issues with this cord right here popping in and out, and it's not quite staying in. So I'm going to use this older printer that we have. It's pretty similar to yours, a little different, but it should serve its purpose to show you how to install this right into there and to make sure it actually stays secured. So I'm going to move that to the side. Looking right here, this port right here is where you're going to be putting it. One of the reasons we think why you're having issues where it keeps popping out is this isn't clipped in. So this clip right here pops in and out. Right now this is open. So you know when it's open when this black part, this little clip here, is completely out and there's like a lip here. When you want to secure, once you have this wire in, you're going to push it and it'll be clipped and it will be nice and secured in there. So you can tell when it's secured when there's like, you can see right there, it's right flush with it. So I'm going to unhook it and I'm going to show you how to add our little camera wire in there. So we're going to take this wire, and you want to make sure that the blue side is facing down, and we have this part where all the threads are facing up. So we're going to put that right in there. And we're going to push it in. And you're going to push it in as far as you can, where it's giving you a little bit of resistance, but not being too forceful with it. And I'd say that guy's in there. So yours should look something like that. So now, to make sure it's secured, because right now, if we were to pull on it, you know, it pops right out. So, to make sure it's nice and secured in there, we got this one side, it doesn't want to go in. There we go. To secure it, now we're going to take those clips like I talked about. So you can push in the one side and the other. And you should see right there, they're nice and clipped in. And to make sure that it's nice and clipped in, you can tug on this very gently, but just enough. But you can see that there's some resistance that it won't come out. So that should be how you do it. At this point, you can go and check you can plug in your printer, and you can check on the camera to see if the light has turned on red. If it does so, that means it is connected and you should be able to see out of it. But just to go over it once again, you have your cord. You're gonna put it in as far as you can, gently, not too forcefully, right? Then you're gonna just push those clips in, pull on it, and you're all good to go.